let's do some data cleaning in Quadratic. I want to understand the average monthly temperature in Boulder, Colorado. So first we'll find our data. I'll go to Google and I'll search average historical temperatures in Boulder, Colorado. We'll use NOAA as they typically have some good data for us. This data set here looks like it goes back to 1897. However, it only has the average per month. I'd like to get this data broken up by day so we can get a more accurate reading. We'll just click back here, click on the temperature tab, and it looks like they have the daily records for the highs and lows here. However, a different issue, it looks like they're plotting monthly temperatures just by the high for each year by day. I'd like to get the full data set by day so that we could do our own analysis in Quadratic. I'll click back here, and it looks like if we go and click on the daily weather observations, they have a complete time series file here in a TXT format. Now, this data is obviously not very useful. You could see we've got about 47,000 rows of data here. So I'll just go ahead and select this, and I'll open up a new file in Quadratic. Now, if I paste this, you can see that all of this data is contained within the same column. Now, you're going to get the same issue if you try to do this in Excel. You paste it in, paste special, or values only, you get the same thing. So we need to find a way to break these out into separate columns. So I'll ask the AI here in Quadratic, break out each column of data by space between each number. Let's let it think here a second. Amazing. Looks like it got our data parsed here into a nice table using Python in one try. So I'll go ahead and delete my existing data. Oh, looks like the Python is based on this data that we have in the sheet. So first what we need to do is right click here and convert this to a table. Now it is just a table of data. It's not powered by Python. And we need to update our column headers. So going back to the documentation on the sheet here, looks like we have year, month, day, temperature max. I'll just go ahead and paste this in here for reference. We already have the year, month, and day correctly identified by the AI. So I'll just change these columns here. Temp min, precip, snow, and snow cover. Great. We'll go ahead and rename our data. Now we have plenty of data here to work with, but I'm seeing that we have temperatures of negative 998 degrees. This is obviously incorrect. This is likely just a default placeholder for data points that were not accurately captured by NOAA. So first of all, the data that I want to get is based on the temperatures. I'm not interested in precipitation, snow, or snow cover, so I'll go ahead and delete those columns. And then I will start a new AI chat and ask to remove all outlier data points. Let's say remove all rows with outlier data points. For example, those that are above 150 degrees or below negative 150 degrees. Quadratic's AI is going to read through the data and write some more Python code for us. Okay, great. Looks like it removed all the outliers, and we just have clean data here. Starting at month 5, let's just double check our work here. And it looks like by month 5 in 1897, our data starts to be clean. All right, this looks good. I will now convert this to a table, delete the old one. And finally, I want to converge the year, month, and day columns into one so that it is just a typical Datetime data format. So I'll just say combine year, date, year, month, and day columns. All right, great. Now we can go ahead and flatten this table, or convert it to a table rather, delete our old data, and we have a clean data set to work with. So let's generate a chart. Generate a box plot showing temperatures by month. preparing a more concise data set for us. And look at this. Now we are in the month of August, so it looks like the max since 1897 is 102 degrees. The minimum is 40. And I could even start a new chat and ask, what is the temperature in Boulder, Colorado today? Search the web. And with our built-in AI research function, it should be able to pull some weather information, and it is 93 degrees. So we are on the higher end here. The median is 69 degrees for Boulder today. So it's a hot day. And remember to buy some ice cream to keep yourself cold out there.